Let us discuss about assert statement used in Python. An assert statement in Python is used to test an expression in the program code. If the result after testing becomes false, then the exception will be raised. If the condition gets true, then the next statement after this will be executed. What happens if this condition gets false? It raises an assertion error, exception, which cannot be handled like any other exception, and the program stops there itself. Coming to this flowchart, we have an assert condition here. When this condition is true, the program will be continued to run further. If this condition is false, the assertion stops the program and gives the assertion error. The remaining will not be executed. In simpler terms, we can say that assertion is a Boolean expression that checks if the statement is true or false. If the statement is true, it does nothing to the program and it continues to execute further. But if the statement is false, then the program stops there itself and throws an error. Look at this program. The first statement prints a message on the screen. You have a function called negative check with an argument number. After the assert keyword, you have an expression. If this condition is true, this statement will be executed. If this condition is false, it raises assertion error exception and prints this message on the screen. In this statement, you are calling this function and you are passing 100 to this number. 100 is greater than 0. This condition is true. It prints 100 into 100, that is 10,000. When we call this function again in this print statement, now you are passing minus 350 to this number. Minus 350 is not greater than 0, then this expression gets false. When it gets false, assertion error is raised and it displays the message what you have written, oops, negative number. Look at this output. When we call function for the first time, you are passing 100 and 100 into 100, which is written in the print statement, that will be printed on the screen and the function returns none. When we call the same function again, when we are passing minus 350 to the function, that expression gets false and it raises assertion error and prints this message on the screen, and the remaining portion will not be executed. This is how the assert statement works. My dear friends, if you feel that our videos are informative, please subscribe, give like and comment and share our videos. Thank you.